Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could actually get your display to show up on both your LCD screen and on your computer at the same time whenever you're using the HDMI output from your Sony A7IV camera. So this is really useful if you want to be able to monitor both your LCD screen and your computer. And this might also work for external monitors, but I'm only going to be showing you how this works whenever you're using this and your computer. All right, so let me show you how I have this set up. So as you can see here, I have a camera behind me and it's recording my Sony A7IV, which right now has the video displayed on both my LCD screen and also on my computer through OBS. And that is what I want. But let me show you how this works. So I actually have to go into the Sony A7IV's menu. And you can't see it right now, but you'll be able to see it here really soon. And so this is the Sony A7IV menu. And all you have to do here is turn the HDMI info display off. So how do you find this setting? So if you go here to the bottom, you go to external output, and that's where you're going to find this whole HDMI info display. So if you actually turn this on, what it's going to do is it's going to show the HDMI info display information through OBS. So this is great if this is what you want, but the only drawback with doing this is it's going to turn off your video on the LCD screen on the Sony A7IV, and then to have it on both screens, you're going to actually have to turn the HDMI info display off. So if I go back to menu, then I turn this off. Now I actually have my video on both the LCD screen and on OBS on my computer. But the only con with doing this is you no longer have the HDMI info display on OBS. And so that's how you're able to get your video displayed on both your LCD screen on your Sony A7IV and on your computer. So if you actually have any thoughts on this or any other ways in which you do this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my geek gear reviews and tutorials, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Protect your online privacy and keep data brokers from selling your personal information by using Delete Me, the #1 privacy information remover service since 2010. Sign up today and get 20% off your first order. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.